loud in the background, but anyways, so see my background right here. Well, with the aquarium and all that. I'm gonna tell you how to get that. I think it's really cool, really fake. But anyways, so if you want to learn how to get this and you don't know, just go to App Store on your Mac. This is for Mac only. So if you have PC, it won't work. So you want to go and type in live wall. You have the Apple ID. So live. Okay. Let's go to live wallpapers. Wallpaper. Okay. So you search on live wallpaper. So you're gonna see a bunch of these, but only one is free, except for this one. But and that one, okay, whatever. But so this one is free, and it's a really good one. See, that one's free. Oh, that one's not free. So I installed this one. You just click right here, and that's pretty easy. But anyways, so that's how you get it. And then here's some options when you install it. You can hide it, but anyways. So I'm running a screensaver, and so I'm gonna put it to 5 minutes. Display aquarium as your live 3D desktop wallpaper. Hit yes, yes, yes. Then you go to aquarium options. Background detail, I put in highest resolution. This. I use my wallpaper. And then fish setting. Wait, no. So then just this, you can randomize water level. I'm gonna get it not completely full. Wait. No, I don't. Don't check my bed. Okay. There. I'm gonna put it here so I can see the water. You can customize it your own, and then you get to pick which fish. I picked a shark too, which is really cool. So I'm just gonna pick some random fish here. Let's pick up a fish. There's also a shark, which is really cool. So there we go, guys. Wait. Oh no, the water. Okay, there. I'll apply that. Now I'm gonna hide this. Don't exit. Don't exit. Okay. Now that I got my fish, here we go. So that's how you get it, and it's pretty cool. I think you can change on it, like the background. Sure, haven't played with it that much. So yeah, you can right here. Load on the image. Go to the background. Go to pictures. Crap. Okay. Let's go to. Let's just go here. Pictures. Oh my gosh, I can't pick any pictures. Okay, that's alright. Oh, there we go. So, my pictures. I think it's loading my pictures. I'm not sure though. Here's my wallpaper. Huh. Okay. I'm gonna apply. There we go. So, as you can see, don't do that. Did I? Okay. So I got this. Now I'm going to use my wallpaper. So let's just go to System Preferences. It's actually an applications. So System Preferences. So you're going to want to double click that. Go to Desktop, Screensaver. I am going to pick mine. I'm going to go to the beach. I'm going to go to the beach. So I got the beach. Now I want to go to this query actions. See if this is working. Use my wallpaper. Apply. See if it works. Oh well. Did the Galaxy one, but I don't know how to change it yet. I'll make an episode when I do know how. But if you, oh, there you go. Okay. What? Oh, it's weird. Okay, so we got our beach there. Let's open up this. Come on. Okay, there we go. Oh. That's great. Nice. There we go. So, this is how you download it.
Is it no?
This is how you download it. So, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.